Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire harness, part number 316580400. Frigidaire harness, part number 316580400, is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a wiring harness that connects the main control board to the refrigerator's various components, such as the compressor, evaporator fan, motor, condenser fan motor, and defrost heater. This harness is designed to provide power to all of these components and allow them to communicate with each other. The harness also contains several fuses that protect the components from damage due to electrical overloads. This part is compatible with many Frigidaire refrigerator. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a wiring harness for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a damaged or faulty wiring harness and can help to fix issues such as the refrigerator not running, not cooling properly, or not responding to controls. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the back panel of the refrigerator to access the wiring harness. 3. Disconnect the existing wiring harness from the refrigerator's electrical components. 4. Connect the new wiring harness to the electrical components in the same manner as the old one was connected. 5. Securely fasten all connections with wire nuts or other connectors as needed. 6. Replace the back panel and plug in the refrigerator to a wall outlet to test that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.